Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? Today's Mike Tries, and this is Kind. I like that. It's salted caramel, which I really like. It's 100% whole grains. You get 14 grams per serving. I guess you'd call it like a little snack bar, but it's gluten-free. Let me tell you what it's made out of. It's made out of, I'm going to read this to you, well, a bunch of different nuts and grains, but I'm interested in the salted caramel because that tastes pretty darn good. It's got 2 grams of protein. It's got 3 grams of fiber, and it's got some calcium, some other healthy things, but it's going to get your whole grains. So it's not that big. Oh yeah, how many calories is it? It's 140 calories, so it's probably like a nice little healthy snack if you want one, but I wouldn't use it to replace, a meal. Let me rip this guy open. Take a nice bite. All right, there she be. Mike Tries Kind. Smells good. I taste oats in there. It's nice and sweet and delicious. How many carbs are there? Let me take a look. 23 carbs, 3 fibers, so net carbs are 20, 105 milligrams of sodium. Yeah, it's got a lot of, it's got, like I said, 14 grams of whole grains. It tastes a lot of oats, a lot of good stuff in there. Granola. I think it's delicious. What's the thumbs up? They like to say ingredients you can pronounce. So healthy stuff. And delicious. If you're going to have a snack, try something like this. Kind granola bars drizzled with salted caramel. Try them, man. They're good. For more videos like this, try Live Life 365 at YouTube. You'll be glad you did. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Hold on. I'll take. It's chewy. Sweet bamboo. That's kind of you. Just taking a look. Different things. Lots of stuff. Baba.